Place your hand on the green box and wave. Say hello to the person in front of you. This is so unfair. I'm really mad right now. The other person crosses their arms and looks angry. Don't panic and place the sorry emotion robot in the center of the table. Nod your head to show that you understand how the other person feels. I don't want to accept your apology right now. I need some time alone. The other person says no. Choose an accepting response and place it in the center of the table. It's time to leave. Look at the other person and wave goodbye. Good job. Please make eye contact with the person in front of you. I'm so sad today. The other person lowers their head and looks sad. Place the sad emotion robot in the center of the table. Nod your head to show that you are listening carefully. I got grounded by my parents. The other person shares their feelings. Choose an empathetic response and place it in the center of the table. You must be so upset. The conversation is over. Make eye contact with the other person and wave goodbye. Good job. And give it a try. Wave to the person in front of you to say hello. I'm so happy today. The other person is happy because something good happened. Place the happy emotion robot in the center of the table. My parents gave me a present. The other person shares good news. Choose a congratulatory response and place it in the center of the table. Congratulations from the bottom of my heart. Raise your hand to show that you are happy for them too. End the conversation on a positive note. Make eye contact and wave goodbye. Good job. And give it a make eye contact with the embarrassed person. I was being careless and made a mistake. The other person looks embarrassed. Place the It's Okay emotion robot in the center of the table. Nod your head to show that everything is okay. I'll be careful from now on. I'm sorry. The other person admits a mistake. Choose a reassuring response and place it in the center of the table. Everyone makes mistakes. The misunderstanding has been cleared up. Make eye contact and wave to say hello. Good job. You want and say hello to the person in front of you by placing your hand on the green box and waving. I'm so bored today. The other person yawns and looks bored. Place the confused emotion robot in the center of the table. Raise your hand to show that you want to start a new conversation. What's the fun story? Choose a response that changes the topic to something interesting and place it in the center of the table. Should we change the mood and play a fun game? It's time to wrap up the story. Make eye contact and wave to say goodbye. Good job. Give it a try. Make eye contact with the shy person. The other person blushes and avoids eye contact. Place the It's Okay emotion robot in the center of the table. Nod your head to show that everything is okay. Thank you for saying that. Choose an encouraging response and place it in the center of the table. You did a great job and look so cool today. The conversation ended on a pleasant note. Make eye contact and wave goodbye. Good job. Bye. Make eye contact with the person who is worried. By any chance, did you eat my snack? The other person suspects me. Place the flustered emotion robot in the center of the table. Nod your head to show that you are listening carefully. My snack that was right here is gone. Choose one answer that says, that wasn't something I did, and place it in the center of the table. You should check again. The question has been resolved. Make eye contact and wave goodbye. Good job. Give it a try. Wave to the person in front of you to say hello. I'm so tired after working. The other person looks tired and drops their shoulders. Place the worried emotion robot in the center of the table. Raise your hand to show that you are willing to help. Thank you for understanding. Choose a considerate response that gives the other person space and place it in the center of the table. You must be exhausted. Make eye contact and give a light wave to say hello, being careful not to disturb the other person's rest. Good job.